Lenovo IdeaPad 315IA-U7. The Lenovo IdeaPad 315IA is a Windows convertible ultrabook featuring a 15 inches Full HD IPS anti-glare display. 1.5 GHz Intel Core i3-1215U processor and 8 GB of RAM for smooth multitasking. The laptop has a 256 GB PCIe M.22242 NVMe SSD for swift system performance and quick boot-up times. The backlit keyboard and Intel UHD graphics card complement its powerful specifications by delivering vivid visual details to whatever you're watching or browsing. Stylish look. The 15.6 inches FHD 1920 by 1080 TN 250 nits anti-glare display provides you with an enjoyable visual experience in bright light conditions. Camera, HD 720p with privacy shutter. Maximum productivity. The Lenovo IdeaPad 315IA-U7 is designed to deliver maximum productivity and performance wherever you go, whether at work or play. Microphone 2x, array. Battery integrated 45 watt-hours. Max battery life models with 45 watt-hours battery. Mobile Mark 2018 to 5.7 hours local video, 1080p, playback at 150 nits, 10 hours. Power adapter 65W round tip, 3-pin. Ethernet no onboard Ethernet. WLAN plus Bluetooth 11 AC 2x2 plus BT 5.0. Speakers, stereo speakers, 1.5 WX2, Dolby Audio.